In this video, I'll guide you what is load balancer in Google Cloud Platform, why the load balancer is required in GCP. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, what is a load balancer in Google Cloud Platform? In Google Cloud Platform, a load balancer acts as a traffic director for your application. Imagine it as a sophisticated doorman at a restaurant, efficiently distributing incoming guests across available tables. This ensures smooth, efficient operation even during the peak period. Guys, a load balancer distribute traffic across the multiple instances of your application, minimizing server load and maximizing performance. User experience faster response time as requests are solved by the most available and suitable server. You can easily scale your application up or down by adding or removing instance behind the load balancer, meeting demand without manual configuration changes. For one example, guys, a web application receiving high traffic during peak hours can utilize a load balancer to ensure responsiveness and prevent server overload. A multi-region deployment can use a global load balancer to distribute traffic based on user location, minimizing latency and improving user experience. A microservices architecture can employ internal load balancer for efficient communication between different components within the VPC network. Some benefits of using load balancer in GCP like improved application performance and scalability, enhanced availability and fault tolerance, simplified application management and configuration, reduce cost by optimizing resource utilization. Now guys, I'll guide you why the load balancer required in Google Cloud Platform. Load balancer are essential in Google Cloud Platform for several reasons, all of which contribute to improvement of the overall performance, availability and scalability of application. Load balancer in GCP play a crucial role in optimizing resource utilization, enhancing application reliability, ensuring a seamless experience for users. As you can see here guys, some of the key points for load balancer required in GCP like distribution of traffic, high availability, scalability, fault tolerance, global load balancing, security and DDoS protection, logging and monitoring and more. And guys, distribution of traffic, load balancer distribute incoming network traffic across multiple backend instances or services. This distribution ensures that no single instance or services become overwhelmed with traffic, preventing performance degradation and potential downtime. Load balancer contribute to achieve high availability by spreading traffic across the multiple instances or services. If one instance become unavailable due to the maintenance, failure or other reasons, the load balancer redirect traffic to healthy instance, minimizing the impact on the application availability. Load balancer perform health check on backend instance to ensure are healthy and capable of handling requests. Unhealthy instances are automatically removed from the pool. Some of the load balancer in GCP such as HTTPS load balancing provide global load balancing capabilities. This means they can distribute traffic across instances in different geographical regions, improving the application global availability and reduce latency for user in different location. And guys, the security DDoS protection like load balancer provide the security features including distributed denial of service protection to help the defend against the malicious attack and ensure the secure operation of application. Now guys, I hope so you understand why the load balancer is required in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, As you can see here, the cloud load balancing offer two types of load balancer as application load balancer and network load balancer. Application load balancer ALB in GCP are powerful tool that acts as traffic director for your web application and APIs. Guys, the application load balancer further divided into external application load balancer and internal load balancer. Similarly guys, as you can see here, network load balancer are further divided into proxy network load balancer and pass-through network load balancer.